Time for the weather now with Lara Hyams. Lara, it got a bit chilly this afternoon.
Well, that's the thing. We did get a glimpse into summer today, but then that southerly wind came in and it became a very different story. We did get to a top of 31 degrees today, so that was a degree above the forecast. It was fairly consistent throughout the Greater Sydney area. It was fairly cool last night, especially across the central parts and also the northeast, single digits for the south. The highest temperatures were actually recorded in Penrith today, so that's the Greater Sydney area, trumping the far west, although we did have above average temperatures along the coastal districts. Now, the cloud band that has been over South Australia has now moved to the east, and we're seeing that stretch into the Territory and Queensland and also the north of New South Wales. We do have a lot of trough activity around the eastern interior, so we will be seeing a lot of the heat being drawn down into Queensland and also central parts of New South Wales. Around the nation tomorrow, cloudy conditions for the east coast, showers in the west and cloudy in the top end. It was mostly cloudy across the north of the state with a few light showers, mainly in the Hunter, but less than 2 millimetres in the gauges, so not much at all. It was mostly sunny across the south, but there was more cloud cover later in the day once that southerly came through. In the north, mostly sunny conditions, light winds becoming south to southeasterly tomorrow. Daytime temperatures reaching the mid to high 20s. On the waters, north to northwesterly winds reaching up to 30 knots. We will see seas at 2 metres. Moving further south, partly cloudy with some patchy fog throughout the morning. The daytime temperatures tomorrow between 18 and 23. On the waters, we'll still see some southerly winds, but they will get up to about 30 knots. Seas will be at 2.5 metres. We'll see some sunny conditions for a lot of the interior tomorrow. Patchy fog in the morning and some of those temperatures reaching 28 degrees. Now, tonight there is a severe weather warning for damaging winds. This is for the Greater Sydney area and also the Illawarra. Those wind gusts are expected to reach up to 90 kilometres per hour. As that cool change begins to set in overnight, we will see a drop in temperature around the Greater Sydney area and there will be the slight chance of a shower. As we look to the temperatures tomorrow, we are expected to get up to 22 degrees in the city, slightly higher for the west with 25. And looking to the week ahead, warmer temperatures will be returning by the weekend. Tomorrow there is a slight chance of a shower. This is mainly about the east. We could see some fog patches, and that will be mainly around the ranges and the slopes. We'll also see some frost conditions throughout the inland parts. But as we get to about Saturday, there will be a jump in the maximum. We will see that cloud cover return, warmer later in the weekend.
Thanks for that, Lara. Lee Sales is here now with 7:30.